Hi children, good morning. This is Mrs. Cecilia, your English ma'am. Welcome back to our English class children. Children, take out your SB books and open page number 46. Take out your SB book and take page number 46. Children, today we are going to learn about sound words in appreciation section. Sound words. So children, let's read the sentences which are given below the sound words. So all of you put your finger and read aloud the words given here. You have one word is tinkle, tinkle. Another word is whoosh. The word tinkle, tinkle sound like the bell of a bicycle. The word whoosh is the sound when the bicycle goes into a puddle of water. These words sound like the sounds of the things they describe. They are sound words. There are many sound words like crack, bang, and thud. Can you say what they describe? When anything breaks, we hear the crack sound. When anything loud noise occurs suddenly, we hear the bang sound. When anything falls suddenly, we hear the sound thud. So children, sound words describe the sound of the things. Children, I am playing sound word animation. Watch it carefully, children.
Sound words. Tanya is at a park, sitting on a bench. She is reading quietly. She hears a buzz and hears some bees. Suddenly, she sees a swarm of bees fly past her. Buzz. There is a bird on a tree. It chirps loudly. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Suddenly, Tanya hears a loud ding-dong of bells. Ding-dong. She sees a big cow running towards her. Moo. Tanya tries to run away, but falls down with a thud. Thud. Tejas comes riding on his bicycle. Tring, tring. He helps Tanya stand up. She dusts herself. Suddenly, the clouds start to rumble. The strong wind whooshes past and whistles, and big drops of rain start to fall pitter-patter. Tanya sneezes loudly. Achoo! Buzz. Chirp. Moo. Ding-dong. Tinkle. Pitter-patter. Rumble. Whoosh. Thud. These are all sound words. They describe the sounds that are around us. Can you think of more sound words?
Children, I think you understood what are sound words. Let's take page 47, children. Here there are some sound words we need to write under the right picture. Now I am reading the heading, children. Look at these pictures. Choose the correct sound word for each picture. There are 6 words, sound words. and they are in the yellow colored boxes. I am reading them, children. Put your finger and listen carefully. Zoom, plop, thud, trin, crack, ding dong. I am repeating these words again. Put your finger and listen carefully, children. Zoom, plop, thud, trin, crack, ding dong. Children, now look at the first picture. A coconut is falling from the tree. So, which sound word we must write in the first blank, children? Is it zoom? Is it plop? Is it thud? Is it trin? Is it crack? Is it ding dong? Yes, you are right. It's thud. When anything falls, we hear the sound thud. So, write the third one in the first blank, children. Have you finished, children? Now see the second picture. The tap is leaking. Small droplets of water falling from the tap. So, which is the sound word made by leaking tap, children? Is it zoom, plop, thud, trin, crack, ding dong? Yes, you are right. It's plop. Have you finished, children? Now see the third picture, children. The mirror is broken. So, which is the correct sound word, children? Is it zoom? Is it crack? Or is it ding dong? Yeah, you were right. It's crack. Write crack in the third blank, children. Have you finished, children? Now see the next picture, children. A car is moving very fastly. So, which sound word we must write here, children? Is it zoom? Is it trin? Is it ding dong? Yeah, you were right. It's zoom. So, write the zoom spelling in the next blank, children. Have you finished, children? Now see the next picture. You can see a phone here. When it rings, what kind of sound you hear, children? Is it ring or is it ding dong? Yes, you are right. It's tring. Write tring spelling in this blank, children. Did you finish, children? Now see the next picture, children. It is the picture of doorbell. A person is ringing doorbell. What is the sound made by a doorbell, children? Yes, it ding dong. So write the ding dong spelling in this last blank, children. Have you finished, children? Very good. Once check your answers with these children. Now it's time for homework. Complete page 33 in WB and I can in page 47 in SB, children. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye, children.